Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the foundation is solid. Update WordPress, backup files and the database, and enable SSL. Once done, install a user management plugin like User Role Editor or Members and activate it. This gives you role and capability controls. Create a staging site so you can test without impacting live users. Make sure permalinks are set and basic security settings are enabled. These steps prevent permission mistakes later and let you iterate safely. Now you configure roles and the user experience. Create custom roles and assign precise capabilities so users only see what they need. Then build registration and login forms, adding reCAPTCHA and email verification to reduce spam. Configure post-login redirects to appropriate dashboards. Map profile fields to user meta so data is consistent, and set approval or payment workflows if members must be vetted. These details control access, reduce support tickets, and maintain a clear permission model as you scale. Finish by auditing and testing. Create several sample accounts to verify role-based access, navigation, and content visibility. Make sure notification emails, password recovery, and any export/import functions work. Adjust SMTP if emails fail. Once satisfied, deploy from staging to live and monitor logs for 24-48 hours. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting plugin conflicts by disabling non-essential plugins. Purge caches and check PHP error logs. This sequence quickly isolates common failures and gets your user system stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.